to London Heathrow's Terminal 5, the home of British Airways. The local time here is 6:58 AM in the morning. Please remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. When it is safe to do so, take care and open the overhead lockers as items may have moved and could fall out, causing injury. You can now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. Please do check that you have all your personal belongings with you prior to leaving the aircraft this morning. If your journey ends here at Heathrow, then follow the yellow signs for arrivals. On arrival, for a smoother journey through the UK border, please be ready with all your documentation. You can also use the e-gate if you meet the eligibility criteria as displayed within the passport control area. Staff will be available to assist if required. If you are connecting onto the flight from Heathrow today, then check the information screens for departing gate number. If this is not yet displayed, then please follow the purple signs for flight connections. If you're requiring assistance here in London, then do speak to our ground colleagues who'll be happy to help. For customers who've ordered special assistance to leave the aircraft, remain seated until the aisle around you is clear, and the crew will be on hand to assist you further. Finally, on behalf of all of us on board and British Airways, I would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today, and we do look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thank you, and a very good morning to you all.